So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Dragon City app not working. So the first thing you need to check is actually if you have a stable internet connection. Why? Because Dragon City itself is an online game, which means that it's going to require internet in order to run properly. After that, the thing you need to check on if you're using the correct account, and you can check on your account in the top right corner. So if you click on that, you can see link your account to save your progress. You can also connect to Facebook to get a reward, but from there you can use Apple ID, you can use Facebook to connect, you can also change player underneath. So from there you can use different approaches in order to check on if your game is doing okay, and from there you can just go ahead and play and join the game. So the main thing would be to check your internet connection, since playing offline is not recommended by the developers. There's a few quirks that you will encounter if you choose to play offline. So another thing that you need to keep in mind is to be linked to the right account, and after that you should be playing the game to its full capacity. Also check for updates. If the game, since it's an online game, it should get a lot of updates, and make sure that you have enough storage to run it, since it's quite a big game as well. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.